However, the respondent number 3 has not verified it and instead merely observed that if the stock register would have been available at the time of inspection, then the stock could have been verified and now the stock has been shown after manipulation stop. He has not mentioned in the order that which entry in the stock register is the result of manipulation stop. It is admitted fact of the case that the shop of the petitioner was got opened by the authorities in her absence and justification of her absence is well founded stop. There was absolutely no independent witness in the entire episode stop. Non-presence of any independent witness becomes more important under the facts and circumstances of the case due to presence of the complainant and his role in the matter with whom the petitioner has enmity and had lodged the FIR under section 307/504 IPC and trial is going on stop. Therefore, recovery of quantity of food grains shown by the inspecting team is unbearable stop. Despite request of the petitioner, the state authorities have not verified the stock of essential commodities stop. Consequently, the allegation of lesser stock found in the alleged inspection cannot be accepted stop para. The third ground and the conclusion drawn by respondent number 3 in the impugned order dated 31/12/2013 is that the petitioner had black marketed the essential commodities and thus contravened the terms of agreement stop. This finding and the conclusion drawn by respondent number 3 in the impugned order is wholly baseless and without any evidence on record stop. There is no finding in the impugned order that any card holder has made any complaint against the petitioner with regard to non-distribution of essential commodities in the prescribed quantity and at the prescribed rates stop. The respondent authorities have also not recorded statements of any card holders or the villagers with respect to non-distribution or lesser distribution of essential commodities by the petitioner from her fair price shop stop. The petitioner had submitted monthly distribution certificates evidencing that the essential commodities as received were distributed as per norms stop. Genuineness and correctness of the certificates has not been doubted stop. Thus, there was absolutely no evidence against the petitioner to indicate that the petitioner has either not distributed the essential commodities in prescribed quantity to card holders or she charged price over and above the rates prescribed stop para. So far as the rejection of the delay condonation application filed in support of restoration application and the rejection of restoration application of the petitioner by the appellate authority is concerned, it is relevant to note that the petitioner has sufficiently explained the delay and also shown sufficient cause for non-appearance on 22/5/2015 stop. The appellate authority has merely observed that no justification reason has been shown for delay stop. However, the completely failed to record that what justifiable reason has not been shown in the delay condonation application stop. Thus, the order rejecting the delay condonation application and the restoration application is without reason and the therefore cannot be sustained stop.